Check out the second A380 taking off from Denver. So we were just waiting in a parking lot where the A380 was going to take off, but they just changed flight paths, and my mom found a road that we can go on, so we're driving to there right now to watch them take off from the other side of the runway. There it is, right over there. Okay, so we're at the place where we're gonna watch it take off. That's the runway lights right there. We're just gonna wait a little bit, and we're gonna see it take off. It's gonna be great. Okay, so I just checked radar. The A380 has started its taxi, but there is a 777. It's gonna take off right now, so we're gonna watch that. So after the 777. Alright, there's a 787 taking off right now. I can't see it, but it's going to take off. And the 787. And the 757. It was finally time for the A380. That was the A380, and that plane was a lot bigger than I thought. Like, I know it's the biggest passenger plane in the world, but when I saw it take off, it was crazy. I could still see it, kind of. And, yeah, that was crazy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Goodbye. Okay, so now we're on our way to watch the A380 land. So the day that we saw the A380 land was also the day that my mom was picking me up from my uncle's house. And we were just sitting and talking until we realized that it lands in like 45 minutes. So we started rushing to the airport, but we made it about like 10 minutes before it landed. So we saw other planes. So the A380 just entered Colorado. It is landing in like 20 minutes, and we're 15 minutes away. So we're rushing, and we're probably going to miss it. So we started driving to the other side of the runway. We saw two planes do this, so this was pretty cool. Landing at the same time, but then we arrived. Okay, so we just arrived to the landing spot. We're waiting for a few more planes to land, and then it'll be here in like about 5 minutes. So let's do this. So we just waited for the 787 to land, but then it was finally time to see the second Lufthansa A380 land at Denver. It was pretty crazy too. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.